Hi Manav.
Hello everybody. कोई है नॉक नॉक मैं अकेला बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे चैटिंग करने के लिए.
No, we are live. अपना Facebook में ये कर दो. So Manav, first of all, thanks a lot for dropping by.
Thank you so much.
And you look wonderful as usual. So पहले बताइए अपना तेनाली का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा चल रहा है?
So सबसे पहले तो मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा that you guys on such a short notice you decided to kind of have me here. हम कब से प्लान कर रहे थे. And I wish you all the very best because I'm very fond of this team that we have here. Because, good journalism requires a lot of sense of responsibility and a good heart, and I think that's what I find here with you also. Thank you for having me. Tenali is great, going good यार. मैंने लिया तो मैं सिर पैर कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा था. राजा का कैरेक्टर एक तो राजा जैसा तो अथॉरिटी एरोगेंस तो मैं बड़ा स्वीटली राजा बनता था. ऐसे राजा के जैसे ऐसे करके तो it was very difficult for me initially to portray something which I'm not. So but then yeah, slowly I'm sinking into the skin.
So in terms of your characterization, the show has opened up wonderfully. It has got good ratings, love of audience. The team looks wonderful. So how is it like shooting on a daily basis on the set? How is the bonhomie? How is the entire fellow feeling on the sets of Tenali?
It's good, yeah. It's good. It's at a very nascent stage. The entire team, or the family, as you call them, in a few years. But I think everybody's got the correct attitude on the sets. In Krishna, who plays Tenali, and Pankaj Beri who plays Tathacharya, and all the other friends, and Manji who's directing, and the DOP. So some match, धीरे-धीरे as a team we are working, and हाँ कभी-कभी disagreements होती हैं कि नहीं मुझे लगता है ऐसे मुझे, but it's a creative disagreement and that is actually progressive. जैसे मैं अगर दरबार बोल तो कहता सकारात्मक ऐसे discussions होते हैं. So उस type का progressive discussion and it's good. It's the entire team is coming together and working on something and everybody's got the right heart.
So Grishma is saying, "Hi Manav, good to see you as a different character portrayal. All the best."
Hi, thank you, Grishma.
Grishma.
Thank you so much, Grishma.
So she's happy that you're doing something different. So how different is the role Tenali from something you have done in the past?
It is definitely different because I've never spoken such difficult language on TV before. हिंदी के आसपास ही रहता था. Even यम है हम में भी हिंदी इतनी क्लिष्ट नहीं थी. But language wise थोड़ा सा challenging है. Otherwise, costume wise थोड़ा सा आसान है. It's easier than yum hai hum. So yeah, otherwise it's good. It's different because it's a king and I've never played a king before.
Wonderful. So tell us something about your entire. You have seen a sudden mushrooming of historical and mythological shows in Indian television. You have been around since many years. So what do you think? This is a passing trend or this is gonna stay for a longish period?
So there are two tangents. One is before taking up Tenali, I was actually thinking यार अभी मैंने यम है हम किया, अभी फिर मैं ऐसे costume में घुस रहा हूँ. So but I thought that why not? Today if you see that the Indian programming people are putting their money with costumes and dramas and stuff. So if you can add a little drama and humor with costume, I think it's a fantastic combination. And I thought that yes, why not? I should go ahead with this. One.
Yeah.
Two is I think ये जो चलन है ना, ये इंटरनेशनली लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि जो हिस्ट्री बुक्स में हमने पढ़ा था या अब चीज़ें इतनी इवॉल्व हो गई. बच्चों को अपने इंडियन हिस्ट्री के साथ कनेक्ट करने के लिए, गॉड्स या गॉडेसेस के साथ कनेक्ट करने के लिए ये जरिया माँ बाप को भी बेहतर लगता है. फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन इन द US यार मैं ये वाला गॉड का जो गणेशा या हनुमान का एक नाम ये देखता हूँ मैं, और मैं आई मेक श्योर माय सन वॉचेस. हम तो बचपन में जाते थे वहाँ पे कालीघाट में जाके मंदिर, बट दे डोंट नो व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री एंड दे लव इट. The kids abroad particularly, they love these shows, and I think somewhere it is an effort to reconnect your present with where you actually belong perhaps.
Wonderful. Hira Mehta is saying hi to you.
Hira ji!
Long time, happy to see you again.
So
good luck for more.
I will not see you right now, but please come and see me sometime, Hira ji, on the sets. It's far this time. Hira ji used to come to Yum Ham sets so often.
So she's one of your ardent fans.
Hira is like a friend. She's like a real good friend of mine now. Hira ji, I love you.
She's saying, glad you did take up another mythological character. You make it come alive and look good too. Cheers.
Hira ji, you make me do this over and over again. You know that? Even Yum ke baad you used to encourage me, and Hira ji, you're fantastic.
Okay, we have Insta pe a lot of fans saying you hi. Sheetal, Pinky, then Afifa. They all are saying you hi. Hi sir.
Hi, Afifa is a nice name. Hello. But can they see me?
Yeah, they
all
can
can
see
see
you.
you.
They-
Like live, I'm talking.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah.
How cool is this? Yeah,
Yeah,
I've
yeah,
done
yeah.
this before.
They're
Do this more often. Yeah.
on Insta seeing you live, so you can say hi.
Oh, hello. Oh, I'm live. So I can also see myself on Insta.
Yeah.
Of course you can
How
see.
cool is this? Yeah.
And Hira is giving you hugs.
हीरा जी पर्सनली आके दे दो जप्पियाँ बहुत दूर वाली जप्पियाँ.
So tell us next in terms of, you know, you have done so many characters, you know, Buddy Project, Yum now. So what is one character which is really dear to your heart, which is really close and you'll remember it like throughout your life?
You know, it's a very easy question because the answer is that the character that the people love the most is where I get love from. Because मैं तो मात्र एक character play कर रहा हूँ. So people perceive TV actors as stars, but actually the stars are the characters that we play, right?
Yeah.
So when somebody says, "Yeah, Yum, Manav, Yum, it was so good, na Manav, you did such a fantastic," so I know that it is Yum, me portraying Yum that worked. It is not Manav Goel. So for me, what becomes most precious for me is when people display their love. So I'm loving Krishna Dev Raya. Yamraj was fantastic. I think I never thought I'll fall in love with Yamraj. So I love Yamraj also.
Okay, and what about Buddy?
But he also, there's a lot of youngsters saying, "Oh, teacher, I want a teacher like you." Pretty much like, and Buddy was good fun because stylized and it was very crisp and very, now the show was very present age show.
Yeah.
It's very powerful. And the kids, wow.
Yeah.
Fahad and Bharti and Palak and Jatin and
It was a good show. Channel
good,
show.
very well written show.
Okay, so this MJ Kaur is saying, "So good to see you again on
Mati,
television.
what's up with you?
And keep the mooch on."
You like it, MJ? MJ is another very dear friend like Hira Mehta.
Yeah.
And MJ is very beautiful herself. Yeah, she is going to be a very big director and a producer someday.
The mooch is looking cool on you.
Thanks, babe.
So tell us something about this special Thenali Rama look, right? You like the entire...
So what happened is with Yum also had a mustache.
Yeah.
लेकिन Yum में वैसे regular सी थी because मुकुट मुकुट था. So then Tenali also then they said Krishnadev Raya had a muchi. So मैंने कहा यार इसको क्या करेंगे? So मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा ताव दिया और ये ना थोड़ी गोटी सी बढ़ा ली. To make it look a little different from Yum for my sanity. And with the crown and all, it looks perfectly fine. So then I said, let's keep this.
So बहुत टाइम लग जाता है रेडी होने में कि
नहीं,
फटाफट
हाँ जल्दी हो जाता है.
जल्दी हो जाता है.
I take about 25 minutes to get ready with tika and clothes and everything.
So Manav, tell me one thing, like how in terms of so many shows are there on television right now, so many actors have come in, but when you talk about relatability or having a recall value to an actor, say in terms of being popular, so you still see people who have been active in the 90s or early 2000s, so when you see, you'll know acha Manav hai ya Aman hai ya, so there are so many actors right now also, but उनका जो recall value कम जाता है pertaining to the fact that they are popular yet not sustainable for a longish time. तो उनको क्यों लगता है कि बहुत सारे shows आ रहे हैं कि सारे shows same लग रहे हैं कि ZTV देख लो, Colors देख लो, Star Plus देख लो, maybe the content is very similar, or what do you think is because there's so much content that अच्छा there's another kid in the block. What do you think about it?
See, I first of all would want to give it to the youngster today. I think I have had a couple of interactions with the newer lot, and that clarity is tremendous. So one thing I'm in awe of them that उनको पता है क्या करना है. हमको जब टीवी में घुसे थे तब हमको कुछ पता नहीं था. I entered TV because I had no money to eat food. So मैंने TV करो पैसे मिल जाएंगे. So acting करते TV and then TV happened. हम लोग fortunately for us we entered TV at such a time कि तभी फ्लरिश हो ही रहा था. अपना एक नया अवतार पहन रहा था. तो उस वक्त हम लोग आए हैं तो हमको एक एडवांटेज वो मिल गया. दूसरा हमारे वक्त पे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज वी गॉट, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू डिमीन एनीबॉडी टुडे, बट वी गॉट फैंटास्टिक डायरेक्टर्स एंड पीपल हु हैड पेशेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ द चैनल्स आल्सो. सो डायरेक्टर के ऊपर प्रेशर नहीं था कि यार अच्छा जल्दी हम लोग एक एपिसोड बकायदा प्रत्येक सीन ऐसे जमा के करते थे तब कि रीडिंग करते करते आंखों में आंसू आ जाते थे। हम लोग ऐसे कि अच्छे काम ऐसे करके जिस जुनून के साथ काम किया ना हमने, आई थिंक for me, if I could call myself a non-actor, it would be just perfect. But from there, somebody worked on me. Like Imtiaz Punjabi would say, "Man, नहीं यार, तू नहीं रो रहा है ठीक से यार." And he would make me cry. मेरी रातों की नींद हराम कर दी थी उनके यार, ऐसे कैसे रोता है यार तू मुंह भिगा के? रो खूबसूरती से. And it was a training for us. So we were trained by some of the fantastic directors who had the time to create something beautiful.
So now there's no time, you feel?
Things are different now. It's so different now. So right now the director's pressure is that यार आपके पायलट और मास्टर तीनों ले लो साथ में, फिर फटाफट क्लोज काट लेना क्योंकि अपने को परसों का तो क्या करेगा डायरेक्टर? उसके पास 2 एंगल है और वो एक्टर है और वो लहंगा भी है, उसमें 2000 और चीजें उसको देखने की। So अभी समीकरण बदल गया है, उसकी परिभाषा बदल गई है अच्छे काम की, तो I think everything is changed. Thank you so much. So I think we got a little lucky having entered TV.
So do you think the scenario will change, or it's going to continue in terms of the way it's functioning, or it's going to get more business-like where it becomes a factory?
No, I think I just want to live in that dream and a wishful thought that it does change.
Okay, change.
It looks difficult to be honest. It looks really difficult because everything is getting steeper. It is evolving. आज ads में से जो पैसे पहले मिल रहे थे तो अलग थे, अब चीजें बदल गई हैं. अब जो relationship between the broadcaster or producer वो बदल गई है. So everything is changing and everything is getting very commercial. The heart of art is coming out and the commerce is taking place.
So maybe yeah, it's true evolving and maybe we'll find its course. So what about reality shows? आप Big Boss वगैरह कभी सोचो? You're experienced, you have so many stories to tell.
You should do a poll, I think. So most of the people say मानो बिल्कुल Big Boss में नहीं जाना चाहिए, बहुत boring.
कल ही डालते हैं हम. What do you think? You have watched Big Boss?
I have cringed a lot while watching Big Boss. I don't think I fit the bill यार. I won't give them masala यार. मैं मार दूँगा किसी को यार. पूरा boring सा हो जाएगा. I'm a very held back person. अगर if somebody is wrong with me, extreme निकल आए कुछ नहीं. I don't know. I've never done
that. They will do very well to poke you into.
See, I tell you what. The last reality I did was Nach Bali. And उसके बाद कुछ मैंने किया था थोड़ा बहुत, but nothing major. I personally feel that the reality aspect of reality shows is diluted now. It's more scripted. Everything is like, I feel sometimes pity that when I see a child being made to cry and make a sob story of the child's background and उसको music लगा के बजा के लोगों को रुला के फिर उसको votes करना. It's working fantastic. I'm not the channel, I'm not a producer, but I'm happy for them.
Yeah, but you personally kind of अच्छा ये बताइए कि आपको मक्खीस और नागिन के बारे में क्या कमेंट है in terms of the shows that whether on
नागिन और
मक्खी ससुराल सिमर का वगैरह में मक्खी के ट्रैक्स आते हैं ना.
मक्खी के ट्रैक
आते हैं
क्या मतलब?
Simar turned into a monkey, the lead actress.
Really?
Yeah. She did. It was a popular track.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh. I would like to see that episode.
So what do you think? A lot of people say, without being judgmental, that Nagin is absolutely one of the most popular shows. So do you think really it's regressive content, or it's it's working, so it's working?
Objectively, it is regressive content. But the fact is that is what's holding the monies for the right pockets.
Yeah.
So you cannot complain. I mean, even the producer who's making it, yeah, you amazed it. We get into production. I will say that पैसा क्या बनाएगा? मुझे अच्छा काम करके दिस इज लाइक नो माय ड्रॉ. मैं जिंदगी भर देखता रहूंगा ये शो. मैं अपने घर पे बैठ बाहर तो कोई देखेगा नहीं. So there's no point, right? So when somebody of our sensibilities or maybe more evolved sensibilities वो think that क्या काम करेगा? नर्स क्या है? नर्स में नागिन है तो भैया नागिन चल. Happy birthday. What can I say?
Or tell me in terms of, I remember there was a time when we met some years back and you mentioned about taking up Buddhism, right? You mentioned about how life changed after taking up Buddhism. You're still a Buddhist, and how you tell us a little bit about experience, because so many people are watching and they're gonna watch once.
Right.
We share this video. So tell us a little bit about how do you balance work and life?
So I've been wanting to speak with you personally about Buddhism because I think you are a very Buddhist person at heart, and that reflects in your team also. Buddhism, yes, I practice with them. I have been for 13 years now. And Buddhism does not make you a saint. You still remain a human being. I eat meat and I love to drink once in a while. I live a regular life.
Yeah.
I have my ups and I have my downs. But Buddhism is a way of life. It's a philosophy. It's a sutra that we practice, the Lotus Sutra. And based on that philosophy, you get the correct window to see through the world today and kind of take the correct decisions based on your understanding and wisdom. So we chant and we study and we have Buddhist meetings where we all come together and say, you know what, I had this problem and I chanted, and then I studied this, and then this came out and this happened, and I chanted more, and then again, and then all of a sudden I saw that this got okay. So we have victories and beautiful. So it is a continuous process of growth, and we base our lives on faith. We don't have rights and wrongs. We have cause and effect. So there's nothing right or wrong. It's cause and effect. And I think there's so much of negativity in the world today.
Yeah.
कुछ भी उठा के देख लो आप, there's so much of dirty news all the time.
All the time.
I've got videos where I see लोग ऐसे मार रहे किसी को के, and so much of negativity is there that if we can start working on the other side of the table and become more in numbers and become more happier people, why not?
Yeah, we can spread the positive aura.
And we are influencers, right?
Yeah.
Might as well do it.
Absolutely. So it all says the charity begins at home, right? So ये बताइए कि आपको जो डिजिटल कंटेंट ये करता हूँ, आपका जो डिजिटल कंटेंट आज जो इतना इवॉल्व हुआ है, OTT platforms and Netflix and YouTube. So what's your take on it? Because no one really knows what's gonna work, what's not gonna work.
Right.
Everyone's claiming that we have got so many subscribers,
Right.
but there's no valid data available in the market. So and the preferred go-to content is putting in a lot of expletives or sex and content to get the initial eyeballs.
Yes.
So what do you think about it? ये क्या चल रहा है, मतलब ये माजरा क्या है?
एक नई दिशा है जो लोगों को लगता है कि ये भविष्य है ना. सो कुछ लोगों ने तो यहाँ तक प्रेडिक्ट कर लिया था कि टीवी का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बंद हो जाएगा. अपेरेंटली सोनी जो टीवी बनाते हैं, सोनी चैनल पर टीवी, उन्होंने अपना प्रोडक्शन कुछ कट किया होगा. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट रीजन. तो वहाँ से न्यूज़ आई थी कि अच्छा देखा ये डिजिटल कंटेंट इतना सारा हो जाएगा कि लोग मोबाइल पे, और हकीकत है क्योंकि एवरीबॉडी इज लाइक जियो के बाद तो मेरा ड्राइवर बैठ के सारी दूसरे दिन पे वो सीरियल्स और टीवी और वो फिल्में देखता रहता है. सो इट इज ग्रेट, दे हैव एक्सेसिबिलिटी. बट टू से दैट टीवी बंद हो जाएगा या चला जाएगा, आई हैव माय डाउट्स ऑफ इट. I don't know. I'm in awe of people and producers who are putting in crores of rupees to create content for these digital platforms, and I don't know if they also know what the return or when the return is going to be. But उनका connection है. Like years back, जब smartphones नहीं आए थे, तो एक seminar था mass media का, and I was there also. So seminar में किसी एक producer ने he said then so this is the so somebody asked so what's the future sir. So उसने अपने जेब से नोकिया का उसका फोन तो वो उठा के उससे दिखा, बोले ये बदल जाएगा और ये आपका भविष्य आज से 10 साल के बाद. And people didn't know what he's talking about. They thought oh wow ऐसा हो गया तो क्या मजा. But the fact is it is changing and somebody could see it. Somebody had the vision. So you don't know what actually is coming your way, but right now I am amazed at the kind of money let's say UTV or Balaji or anybody is putting into digital content.
Yeah,
crazy.
So what about the quality of content? You think they're putting up
unleashing the writers? यार, they're getting their own. अब लिखूंगा मैं, तुम देखा तुमको बॉलीवुड मांग रहे थे ना, वो मैं लिख के देता हूँ. यार जैसे हम लोग अभी बात करें रियलिटी शो में, मक इज सेलिंग यार, and always selling. The times, the age is such. So if you write something which is provocative or it's a little explicit, you can sell it.
So it caters to the basic human emotions which always go.
Yes, you can't escape it.
Yeah. But as content creators, I believe we need to be more responsible in terms of, like you said, you are an influencer.
I would love, but I don't know for how long this statement is going to be valid on the grounds of morality or in reality. I'd love that we can say that आज के बाद मैं गुटखा का ऐड नहीं करूँगा, मैं नहीं करूँगा. एक जनरेशन डाउन नहीं कर, 2 जनरेशन डाउन, वो क्यों नहीं करेंगे? वो सेंसिबिलिटी से अलग हो जाएंगे तब. एवोल्यूशन चल रहा है, we're not out of it.
Yeah, but is something you look up to? You think you can be, you're interested to be part of this entire web revolution? आप shows करना चाहोगे जो Yeah,
बिल्कुल. So it is so fortunate for me. I'm like you talking about Buddhism, and I believe that if I am an influencer to any extent, I must do what can, or I should try and do more of that. So I did something for Tata Sky also. And everything that I'm doing somehow, Yum also, or this dinner, everything is only creating value in a way or another.
Yeah.
I've been fortunate that way. And it's not that हाँ मैं चाहिए create value create कर रहा है तो मैं कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे नहीं है, but ऐसे हो रहा है मेरे साथ, which I'm happy about. But if tomorrow somebody says you have to do a kissing scene on screen, I don't know if I'll really say a no to it. I'll shit bricks, but I don't know if I'll say no to it.
Depending on the entire.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. तो अभी मनीषा आपके साथ एक दो कुछ गेम्स खेलेंगी और फिर हम लोग वापस आएंगे कॉन्वर्सेशन में.
Rapid fire तो नहीं करूँगी?
नहीं, it's like English translations of Hindi songs. So you have to guess these Hindi songs. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one goes like this. Oh, saw a girl and felt like this. Saw a girl and felt like this. Like a booming rose, like a poet's dream.
R.D. Burman won a Filmfare Award for this song. Unfortunately, after his passing away, and this was his second only or the third only award in his life. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
Amazing. Like you'll give extra information also.
All extra points here.
Okay, the second one is just like the need to breathe. Just like the need to breathe. For your life, all you need is a darling to love.
Ashiki. Is it from Ashki? Yeah, just सांसों की ज़रूरत है जैसे ज़िंदगी के लिए.
हमारे question easy है कि you are like too fast.
No, yeah, I'm just like grabbing it well. Yeah. I grew up in a very filmy way. Film से बहुत याद है.
Okay, third one is please arrive, oh morning, please arrive. Let's bid adieu to the night, oh darling, please arrive.
You're the thriller.
Tricky one.
आजा सुबह, आजा सुबह.
Please arrive, oh morning, please arrive.
Please. हाँ ये समझ में आ रहा है, मुझे पता नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छा नेक्स्ट पे जाते हैं.
Okay, ठीक है. Drip drip fell the water and it kindled a fire.
क्या
and
बात है,
when
ये
the
तो बहुत सिंपल. Drip drip is like tip tip. Tip tip बरसा पानी. That Ravina ji.
Perfect.
Ravina is a song. There's a
Yeah,
trigger
yeah.
behind this song. So Ravina ji initially didn't want to do this film.
oh
Tip tip बरसा पानी वाला जो फिल्म है.
हाँ
And then वो गाना, ये फिल्म या गाना नहीं करता, गाने में हाँ.
हाँ.
But then this song became her signature.
True.
Akshay Kumar was not singing the song. It was Ravina Tandon with the song for us.
Okay, the next one is you are in front of me, I am in front of you. Should I see you?
डर शाहरुख खान. Yeah, तू मेरे सामने मैं तेरे सामने. So good.
Okay, shoot the bullet in the brain. Brain makes a lot of noise.
This is
You
कल्लू
will
मामा
dance.
song.
गाना थोड़ा.
कल्लू मामा.
गोली-
गोली मार भेजे में भेजा शोर करता है. भेजे की. I want to know the English part of कल्लू मामा. What have you written?
Kallu uncle.
That's a giveaway, but.
Okay, the other one is after stealing my heart, white girl
चुरा के
walks
दिल
away.
मेरा गोरियां चली.
हम लोग बहुत fast है
All retro, yeah.
all right. Only one is like
So
still.
come
Please
morning.
arrive, please arrive. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We'll tell you what is the song.
हाँ.
अभी जा.
Oh yes,
What is
ऐसे
the
बात. क्या बात.
Okay, the next one is I was on my way. I was having a snack.
Oh, Govinda
was-
and Karishma Kapoor.
I was taking a girl for a ride.
What goes my father? What is it? तेरे बाप का क्या है? मैं तो रस्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, उसको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं कहना बाप नहीं दे, सॉरी इसमें बाप का नहीं जिक्र.
Don't know how to hide, don't know how to show. I love you.
भी नहीं आता.
He's very fast. My game is failed now.
It's a fantastic game. I should try this on radio.
Yeah.
I do radio also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I should do something like very interesting.
Okay, the last one goes like this. Damn your style, damn your love, your emotional torture.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah. कौन सा है?
Yeah, I know.
You read one more time, na?
Damn your love, damn your style, damn your love, your emotional torture.
हाँ बहुत फेमस है ये सॉन्ग, आ नहीं रहे थे।
तौबा तेरा जलवा, तौबा तेरा प्यार, तेरा इमोशनल अत्याचार. Okay, only one wrong. All right. Very smart. Okay, the other game goes like this. You have to say this dialogue. कुत्ते कमीने मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा in like expressions. I'll tell the expressions.
Without expression.
Different expressions.
Oh, you tell the expression.
Yeah. So excitement.
Should I address it to you? No, you're too beautiful. Then look at the lines only.
मुझे देख लो कोई प्रॉब्लम
हाँ, सिर्फ को देख लेता
Whatever you comfortable.
धर्म जी वाला डायलॉग कुत्ते का
तो लाइन इस कुत्ते कमीने में तेरा खून पी
जाऊंगा. हाँ.
तो
Excitement.
कुत्ते कमीने में तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा, जल्दी चल.
Okay, surprisingly.
कुत्ते कमीने में तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा, तेरा खून.
Romantically.
कुत्ते रंजीत जी ऐसे रोमांस करते थे, ऐसे रोमांस करते थे. ये अपना रोमांस है, मैं रंजीत मेरे भगवान थे. But I think ये बहुत आसान है.
But this is lust actually.
आज के जमाने में रियलिटी शोज की परिभाषा बदल गई है, तो रोमांस बदल गई. I love you is a kiss first यार. जैसे वहीदा रहमान जी के सीरीज सुन रहा था मैं, पहले आंखों में प्यार होता था और महीनों बरसों तक आंखों में प्यार होता था. छू लेते तो ऐसे लग जाता था कि आग लग गई है. अब सारा बिस्तर से शुरू होता है और कहाँ जाके खत्म होता है. So आजकल I love you is मैं तेरा
जंजीर
जाऊंगा.
Heartbroken.
एक्टिंग का ये पूरी एक्टिंग करनी पड़ी है. हाथ दो में कुत्ते के मेरे खून पी जाऊंगा. एक्चुअली धर्म भाई, कुत्ते कमीने में तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. सब मेलोड्रामा इधर आ गया.
ओके क्या और दे दो.
अरे नहीं बस हो गया ना. नहीं मैरिज करके धर्म पाजी को के रास्ते में मिल गए तो
Super.
But this is so much fun. I'd love to do this often time.
Yeah.
You guys are free sometime.
और अच्छा लगा ये. हमेशा फ्री रहते हैं. हमेशा इंस्टा में देखो क्या
कितनी बार भूल गए कि ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. I'm having a good time with them.
रिकॉर्ड लाइव है सब.
So one fan is asking, what inspired you to act in this particular role for Tenali Rama?
क्या नाम है?
Raj.
A couple of things, Raj. One is the first question when they offered me this and they pushed it across the table, I said, why not? You know, I should try. I'm an actor. मेरे बहुत सारे एप्रिशिएशन होते हैं किसी भी कैरेक्टर से. पहले मुझे लगता नहीं ये तो ऐसे इस वजह से नहीं करना चाहिए, इस वजह से नहीं करना. बट एज एन एक्टर आई थिंक आई हैव टू कंटिन्यू टू एंटरटेन. और मैंने किंग का कभी प्ले किया नहीं था पहले. चैलेंजिंग था और वो लोग मुझे पैसे भी दे रहे थे. इस बार कहते पैसे देंगे तुमको. तो मैंने कहा that's all the reason I should do it यार. So I did it, Raj.
Okay, Bunty is saying that you played Yamraj awesome. Like, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bunty.
And Nitya is asking like, what kind of roles do you like to portray? Like you personally.
Personally, view something else. What I view is more of Netflix perhaps. या मुझे अच्छा लगता है spy thrillers या action films या detective. So maybe I'd love to play a cop or detective or something more suave. Okay, Krishna Deva Raya is also suave. It's okay.
Yeah.
But that is
that type suave.
Yeah.
It's a subtle character. It's very.
Yeah, it is.
It's a dignified.
Yeah.
How's your rapport with Krishna?
Good.
Tenali?
Good. Everybody's happy.
हाँ.
Everybody's happy working, which is good.
The ambience is good.
Yes, it's good.
ठीक है.
ठीक है अच्छे.
So this is your little gift from our gifting partner Florista.
Thank you so much Florista. And इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. फूलों के अलावा फिर बहुत सारी goodies भी मिले, chocolates भी मिले.
और एक मैसेज भी है.
Wow, thank you so much. This is from Indian Wikimedia and this turns out to be my first live chat like this. and I'm thankful to all of you for having organized this. Yeah, really.
Thanks a lot for
Thank you so much
Do
for
it more
coming.
often. Yeah, thank you. Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
And thank you so much for the goodies. Yippee!
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye, Sia. Thanks a lot, everybody.